Okay, hi friends. Okay, welcome back to another car review with Barukbros Worldwide Auto Association. Today, I will review Honda CR-V 2019 5th generation 1.25 two-wheel drive. It's very nice one. Let's check it out. Okay, it's a CR-V. It's a CR-V, 5th generation. It's a gray color, right? Very nice. Check it out. Tires are new, very new tire, right? Very good. Nice one, right? Wow, so nice. Okay. The back, no scratch at all. It's like a new car, right? Okay. Let's check one more time. It's very nice. Okay. Real nice one, right? It's like a new car. Very good. Anyway, you know that CR-V is a very nice SUV, right? Very durable. Like tire tread. As I check it, this is new. 95%, I guess. It's like almost 100%. Very new. Wow. Let's check it out. Okay. The tire feel very good, right? Even tire tread. You see? Very new. The back also very nice. Wonderful. So as I check it here, the exterior is wonderful, right? It's with a sunroof, right? Very nice. Check it out with a very nice sunroof, right? Okay, let's check inside. Okay. The wheel, the options, nice one, right? Very good. Let's check. The leather seats, very new as well. Okay, let's check the back seat. Okay. There's a wooden frame, wooden color, right? The back seat. You check it, very good, right? Very nice. Wow, it's wonderful. Okay, let me check. Let me start engine. Okay, start button, right? Wow. It's very smooth. Okay. Okay, the engine sound is very good. Let me check the mission. The rear camera works very well. Okay. Let me check drive. Neutral, reverse, parking. Okay, as I shift gear, I couldn't feel any shocks, any troubles. It works very well. Very fine, very good mission. Engine sound, as I check it, very good engine as well, right? Okay, check it out the options here. Right? Very good. Yeah, so the options are right side and left side, right? Okay. So very good, right? Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Check it out, beautiful, right? So very beautiful. Okay, the sunroof as well, very nice. Okay, the seats are very good, very nice. Okay, can you check it out? Very nice one, right? Wonderful. It's so wonderful. Wow, it's great. I like to drive. Wow, very good. So, okay, very, very good. If you like Honda CR-V, I think it's one of the best condition. Best condition. Okay. Okay, let's check the engine room. This is a gasoline engine. So you can see that the engine sound is very silent, right? Not only silent, very stable, very regular, right? Very good. Can you hear the engine sound? It's wonderful, right? So if you check it out here, the engine room, very clear, right? Very good. Very nice. Wow. It's wonderful. Very, very good. Very good engine, right? So, I guess if you want to have the CR-V, very, very good. It's top condition, top of top condition, the best condition. I can assure you, okay? Okay, friends. Okay, let me end the review of Honda CR 5th generation 1.5. Really, this is really great. Great options, great condition. It's like a new car. Good engine, good mission. As I check it out, it's wonderful. Okay, thank you for being with Barukbros Worldwide Auto Association. I will see you with another car review next time. Thank you. Bye.